Welcome back. I hope you had an opportunity to review our video on the comparison text structure. This is the second in a series of videos and covers the problem and solution and cause and effect text structures. Improving content area reading comprehension is easy and can be achieved if children know how to select and encode memory structures from what they're reading. Today we're covering information about using the problem and solution and cause and effect text structures. The 4 steps to identifying problem and solution text structures and utilizing it in creating strategic memory are: first, determining the text structure by identifying the linking signaling words. The second is to write a specific pattern-driven main idea. The third step is to recall as much information as possible using the main idea as a guide. And finally, the 4th step is to monitor the comprehension by checking the main idea pattern and making sure that you understand what the problem is and what the solutions are. Linking signaling words used in the problem and solution text structure include problem, issue, question, query, puzzle, trouble, hazard, riddle, and others you can find. For the solution part of the text structure, typically authors would use to satisfy the problem, to solve these problems, solution, response, and answer. Here is an example of the problem and solution text structure. The article is titled Whales. 7 species of whales were listed as endangered species. A solution to this problem of the possible extinction of some species of whales was proposed by the International Whaling Commission. In 1994, they declared the Antarctic Ocean a whale sanctuary, where no hunting of whales is allowed. I hope you see that there are 2 signaling words used in this passage. The first one is the word problem, and the second one is the word solution, as you can see on this page. I've just highlighted that information for you. A simple main idea for that passage is the problem is the possible extinction of 7 species of whales, and the solution is the International Whaling Commission declared the Antarctic Ocean a whale sanctuary. You can see I've developed a diagram that showcases what the problem is and what the solution is. Sometimes, as we stated earlier, there are no signaling linking words in the article. If you see, I've taken the same article and rewritten it without any linking words. In this case, the author has not used any linking words, and whoever the reader is must impose their own structure to extract the meaning from there. In this case, there's information about the endangered species and also a solution that was proposed. So the student reading the article must impose a text structure on that to extract the meaning. All problems have a cause. The problem and solution text structure, therefore, is tightly linked to the cause and effect text structure. As I stated earlier, all problems have a cause or multiple causes. If the effect is negative, it is a problem. It is important to make the connections so that learners of all ages are prompted to look for the possible causes for the problems when reading a problem and solution text structure passage. So here's the same passage now with the cause and effect embedded with the problem and solution. Whales. 7 species of whales were listed as endangered species. The cause for the problem was hunting of whales in all oceans. A solution to this problem of the possible extinction of some species of whales was proposed by the International Whaling Commission. In 1994, they declared the Antarctic Ocean a whale sanctuary where no hunting of whales is allowed. If you notice, I have now included the cause for the problem, and the actual problem is actually the effect of what happens when there's too much hunting of the whales. So as I stated earlier, the Cause and effect text structure is tightly linked with problem and solution, and it is very important for readers to make note of that. So I've redrawn the diagram and shown how the cause is the hunting of whales. The effect, in this case it's a problem, is the extinction of 7 species of whales, followed by the solution proposed by the whale sanctuary, and that completes the picture of combining the cause and effect with the problem and solution text structure. Just a note to follow up, the main idea pattern for the cause and effect is the cause is and the effect is, and you can add as many blanks as you like to complete the picture. Finally, the problem and solution text structure is very commonly used in most science texts. As I stated previously, all problems have a cause or multiple causes. Problem and solution and cause and effect are tightly integrated. History is also a subject where problems and solutions and causes and effects are powerful organizations for strategic memory instead of memorizing dates and events only. Stay tuned. Our next video will cover the sequence and description text structures. Please email us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video.